Okay guys, a quick one. If you are trying to use sleep mode on your Apple Watch, but you discover that the sleep mode is not working, now you're looking for a way to fix it, then here's a video for you. In this video, I'll detail how to fix sleep mode not working in Apple Watch. So if you have any of the Apple Watch series or Apple Watch Ultra, now you discover that the sleep mode is not working and does not take record of your sleep time, then here is a quick workaround for it. So the first thing you want to do here is just drop your Apple Watch. Go ahead and then grab your iPhone. Now, once you've grabbed your iPhone, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open the Watch app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the Watch app, this should be your Apple Watch app face. Now, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to sleep. So scroll down and click on sleep. Click on sleep. Now, the first you want to do to fix sleep mode not working on your Apple Watch is make sure you turn on track sleep with Apple Watch. So if track sleep with Apple Watch is disabled, the sleep mode will not be able to be active or work on your Apple Watch. So go ahead and turn that on. That's the first thing. And again, if you have not set up sleep mode focus, you need to set up sleep mode focus. Otherwise, the sleep mode will not work on your Apple Watch. Therefore, go ahead and click on set up sleep focus. Then you'll be taken to the focus mode on your iPhone from the Watch app. Then click on customize focus. And just come here, customize your focus. If you want to receive phone calls from anyone, just come here, click on people. Then click on add people and select who you want to receive phone calls from. So just search for their name. Add the name to the list so that each time you have sleep mode turned on or the sleep mode is enabled, you will be able to receive calls from these people. And then you can add as many as possible contact that you want, and after that click on done. Once you hit the done button, then and also say allow calls from. If you have any favorite list, just go ahead and check favorite everybody, allowed people only. If you want to only receive calls from these people only, when you have the sleep mode turned on, just select allow people only. You can also use contact only, but in most cases you may choose to use allow people only. And then if you want to allow repeated calls, just choose allow repeated calls. Once all of this is set, then your sleep mode for people is set. If you want to use app to receive notifications from any application as well, just come here and add the application you want to receive notifications from. But since it's sleep mode, I don't think there's a need for that. And then you're good. So once you have all of this set up, you can come here, choose the watch face you want to use while on sleep mode. So in this case, let's say the watch face I want to use on sleep mode is basically this. Then click on done. Now go ahead and hit the back button. And then again, go back to the watch app. Then it should say your sleep mode now set up. Now, if you want to manage sleep mode, you can just go ahead and click on that and then manage the sleep mode again. However, to now use sleep mode, all you need to do is swipe down the control center, locate focus, click on it, and then tap sleep mode. You should see your sleep mode on. Sleep focus will be activated automatically based on the sleep schedule set in health. So for your sleep mode to be active perfectly, you need to go to the health application and then set your sleep schedule. Now go ahead, open the health app. Once you open the health app, click on browse. Now go ahead and set sleep or select sleep. You can see your schedule. Go ahead and click on add schedule. Now I set my sleep mode to 10:30. Then let me make this 9:30 to 5 o'clock. Then click on add at top right. Then you should see your bedtime set. Now if you go back and check the sleep mode here and then you try to turn on sleep mode, then the sleep mode is going to work at the selected time and then you're good. So that is exactly how to fix sleep mode not working on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.